Boop. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, guys, if you were wondering what the kittens look like now, they're big. I just need to move some stuff around. Yeah. Damn, you can't really see them. These ones just got neutered. That's Snowball. This is, I forgot her name. I usually forget her name. Willow. And this is Felix. Felix and Willow are related, but we're not really sure about her. So I'm gonna need to get a camera. So here's Gerald, the one I forgot to say in the last video that we have. We got Annabelle, the one from the new family from the last video. We got Tigger and Violet, the one that I showed you last time. Of them. Here's Amber, one that's so cute, Amber. No. Sorry, it has a shine of light in your face. There's bright lights on, but Papa can't see it. You see Bubba? Oh yeah, that's Gerald. He's the shy one. Anybody? Yeah. There's Jax. They kind of look like twins. Have you shown you Melvin? No, I haven't shown you Melvin. There's this other cat that we got, but that was a long time ago. Snowball. Yeah. Yeah. Cute Bubba's. They're all meowing at me for some reason. I think there was a couple more kittens. Well, I think, right? Meowing at me for some reason. Oh yeah, they want food. Okay. No, this is not how we treat them. We're just up too late playing video games. It's not like I forgot to feed them. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so here's all of them. Well, we got 11. But they're eating right now. And, like, I don't know how much to show you. Besides, cute faces like these, Bubba's. Come on, let me see. Yeah. And she's purring. Okay. This is backwards. Like this. Oh, God. Like, one leg in the corner. Yeah. These three got neutered. That one. That one. This Bubba. This Bubba. And this Bubba. Got neutered today, actually. It's today morning, not like night. Oh. Okay, now I'm done. Oh, wait. They're all coming to that one place. So here's all the cats. You can count them if you want. There and there. Okay.